So are you looking for the latest and greatest 55 and older community here in Port St. Lucie? Stick around, not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I love helping people every single day like you guys on YouTube find your treasure of a home. So whether or not you're looking in the next 9 days, 90 days, next year or two, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to help you and answer any questions that you have. So in today's video, I am here at Catalina Palms at Sundance. This is a brand new community. The builder here is Akel Homes, and it's really exciting. So I wanted to show you some of the different models that they have here, what's coming, their new introductory pricing, and give you a little behind the scenes tour. So currently the build time here is between 8 and 10 months. They're going to start the clubhouse in May. That'll be done by the end of 2027. The community is going to be about 1,300 homes. They do have a mix of single family homes, villas, and they actually have multi-generation type homes. So really a lot for all different types of homes here. One of the things that I do really appreciate, and you'll have a lot of different options in terms of the upgrades and a lot of choices in the finishes. So that's a great thing. Additionally to the showers and the master are the beach entry. So if you have any kind of mobility issues, that's just a great feature to have. And they also have a lot of the frameless showers. They do have in these models too, the double closet. So you're not having to share a closet like in some of the other communities. And the closets actually are in the bedroom. You don't have to go through the bathroom to access your master closet. So some really nice features. And the nice thing about this community too is the location of it. So it's kind of a catch-22. So this is just located off of Becker Road, which is the southwest part of Port St. Lucie. So if you're trying to get down to the airport, West Palm, anything further south, this is going to get you, or even to the beaches, this is going to get you a bit closer than if you were at Tradition or PGA Verano or St. Lucie West. So that's a great feature. The only thing is that this is about 3 miles west of 95. And so when you drive out here, there's still so much new construction going on. So you're going to kind of feel like you're out in the middle of nowhere, but you're not. You're still close to everything, but because everything hasn't been built out here yet, it does feel a little bit on the quieter side. So this actually, just to the north of us, is where Riverland will start. So you're actually closer to a lot of things than it looks like when you first come out here. But really a great new community with a new builder to the area and a lot of beautiful finishes and things to check out. So there are currently 18 models at the model center. They have over 30 models to choose from. The prices on this, so the villas start at right now. They're doing some introductory pricing, so I don't know how long this is going to last, but it starts at $307,000, and their most expensive home price at this point is under $800,000. Size-wise, they range from 1,300 square feet up to about 3,300 square feet, and really, there's something for everyone. I actually was impressed that they had one of the multi-generational homes here as well, too. So if you've got adult children or maybe your parents or in-laws that are going to be staying with you, really just some nice options there as well, too. I think this is going to be a great community. Catalina Palms at Sundance is part of 2,500 acres of the development in this area. In Catalina Palms, they are going to have parks, the Club Catalina, shops at Sundance Strata, and then, which is a golf pathway, Vitality Village. They're going to have a racket club, health and wellness center, the Solaris Cafe, an amphitheater, a park. At the heart of Catalina Palms lies the Club Catalina, which is going to be a magnificent 56,000 square foot clubhouse with lots of carefully curated amenities. It's going to include resort style pools and luxurious cabanas. They're going to have a state-of-the-art fitness and wellness spaces. They'll have a spa and a salon. They're going to have a yoga garden, a lap pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts. They'll have a fine dining restaurant, sports lounge, pool bar, social hall, and then, of course, the card and poker rooms. They'll have an art studio a demonstration kitchen, some billiard rooms, movie theater. So really, this is going to be a very active 55 and older community. They'll have a community garden and then an outdoor amphitheater. Looks like they'll have a large dog park and a small dog park. Picnic area. They'll have the Solaris Cafe and Juice Bar, bocce ball, picnic area. Okay, so my honest feedback about this community, I think it definitely has a lot of potential. The area is kind of a new and up and coming area here. It's still located close to the Tradition area. They're going to be building a new entertainment district kind of at the base part of Riverland and kind of where Del Webb comes out. And so I think there's going to be a lot coming to this area. It gives you really easy access to 95. The community here will also have a restaurant, and they're going to have a lot of different amenities here. The biggest competition I see is that people that are also looking at Riverland. Riverland offers you right now, they've got the 4 communities, and they're going to be adding another community, another 55 and older as well too. They have a lot of the infrastructure already in there in terms of the clubhouses, restaurants, all of that stuff, really the lifestyle of it. This, I think, is going to be coming. It's brand new. So it's going to probably take about 2 years for this really to be kind of up and running. But I think for people that are looking for something maybe a little bit more elevated, just in terms of the design and the features of the homes, and something that's not as big with this, with these homes, these communities being about 1,300 homes. I think for people that are looking for something elevated, but still active, new, I think this is going to end, with a restaurant. You're still going to have tons of pickleball. You still have the concrete block, the CBS structure. You have impact windows. There again is no CDD, which is a community development district tax, which is similar to what Riverland is saying. And the pricing on these, at least for this introductory pricing, is definitely better than at Riverland or all of the Valencias. So it's just a matter of, you're not going to have all the amenities right away. But if you're willing to wait for those things to come, and you're looking for a community that's a little bit smaller and not as overwhelming, I think this is going to be a good fit. I honestly think buyers that are looking in this community are probably the same ones that are going to be looking in like Esplanade at Tradition, something a little bit more in the boutique type feel, so it's not as loud and crazy, but still new and a lot of things coming. So that's just my 2 cents. We'll wait and see, when it's all said and done. But that's my quick take on the community. I think it's definitely, when you guys come and check out all the 55 and olders, we'll put it on our list and take you guys out and show you this community as well. That way, like I always tell people, when you're coming to the area, you're never going to know what's the right fit for you until you come and visit, because every community is going to have a different feel, kind of a different vibe, and they all offer great amenities. You're going to have pickleball to be able to play anywhere. You're going to have beautiful resort style pools. Everything is relatively new, and you're in a great area out here. Again, we're not in a flood zone, so you don't have to worry about that. Your insurance in these new construction homes is very low, usually under $2,000 a year. So people are always kind of surprised about that. The HOA fee on here is a little bit on the lower side as well too. Definitely, come and check it out. See what feels right for you. Again, a lot of people from YouTube, when you guys are, reaching out to me, you're, 2 to 3 years out. So this might be a really good option to be able to take advantage of this new pricing, because you're not going to necessarily be, using these homes, full time, for a couple of years. So by the time you're ready to retire, the clubhouse, everything's going to be done, and you will have gotten in at lower pricing. So just another option. But I think overall, I think this is a great community. I think it's going to be really successful, and it offers another great opportunity for you guys looking for 55 and older community here in Fort St. Lucie, Florida. And so just a reminder, before you go into any new construction, please feel free to reach out to your realtor, hopefully it's me, before you enter the model center. The reason for that is if you go into the model center and you don't say that you have a real estate agent, or I'm not there physically with you, I'm not able to get registered with you, which means if you want to purchase in the future, even if it's, 6 to 9 months later, I'm not able to help you. So the builders work for themselves. So it's always nice to have somebody that's on your side, and you don't pay anything different. It is the exact same cost. They pay me out of the marketing budget, not out of the home price. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It's a win-win for you guys to have somebody on your side, and you don't have to pay for the representation. So just a quick reminder. if you have any questions or you want more information on this fantastic new 55 and older community, Catalina Palms at Sundance, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have and help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast.